Okay, so if you go to LinkedIn profiles, especially of HR and training professionals, you see a lot of them have added coaching to their skills or expertise. With all due respect, is there any science to becoming a coach, or it's just that since you have dealt with human beings for a certain amount of time, you think you have the answers and solutions?
I'm so glad you're asking this question.
Okay.
And you're asking this question now. Because if you had asked me a couple of years ago, I don't know how would I have responded to it. But now, I find it difficult to accept or validate people when they say that they do coaching, but and without really being able to support it with credentials. Because having gone through it myself, I realized that it is so much of a skill that a person needs to really learn. It's not sitting across and giving advices to people. It's way different. It actually focuses on the person, it focuses on the growth and development of the entire being, of the entire person. It cannot happen if a person does not know how to deal with it. In fact, one of the things that I keep talking to my peers is about the same thing, that there's so much of plagiarism in coaching, and people need to, it needs its space. It's not found its space yet.
But there's a big sea of change that's happening towards the coaching mindset of people. I mean, I come across LinkedIn a lot, and I see a lot of people updated with life coach or executive coach and all that. So do you think that change is coming aggressively on to the current systems?
See, in a way it is great, because if coaching is something that people are warming up to, and there is a need felt, which means that we are in some form seeing rise of a quasi industry or a subsector, which is within larger industries and larger sectors, which is great. But at the same time, it's important to see that there are qualified people who are who can really call themselves as coaches. I think it's important.
True. And there's no regulatory framework per se in the scheme of things here.
Yeah, I mean, actually there isn't, and but that's the case for many other disciplines as well. But this is one discipline, because when people come to you to ask that you coach me, there's a lot of responsibility that the person as a coach carries, and the person should know how to discharge that responsibility. That knowledge comes with a formal education in coaching, and that's what I was trying to say when I say that there's a lot of plagiarism, because people very loosely call themselves as coaches and stuff like that.
So you're also an active, a co-active coach, which I understand is slightly different from the regular coaches, if I'm right?
So I don't know the other disciplines or the other programs, but this is one program that resonated so beautifully with me, because this is one of the programs which talks about really focusing on the whole person. And it works on the belief that people are naturally creative, resourceful and whole, which means they don't need any advices or solutions. It's all in them. All you need to ask is just some questions which will help them to think and find the solutions. It's so simple.
Right, so you're only driving it through them. You're just helping them see themselves better. Interesting. So, basis your responses, actually, I want to ask this question to you is, what made you go into the whole coaching, the coaching field per se? I mean, have you done some professional?
So I wanted to do this program a few years ago, but that was a different coaching program. But when they, there are these brochures which come to you in, through mails or whatever, something like that came, and I said, oh, this sounds good, this sounds interesting. I think I can do something like this, because it's an extension to what I have been doing all these years. Being in HR, it's quite natural that people come to you for guidance and support, and if there is an element of equity and credibility in organizations, people in any case feel that, oh, I think she will be helpful, I can go to her to give me some guidance. So I thought this could be a natural next step. But it didn't fructify so many years ago, up until I came across the curriculum of Coactive. And I said, oh, this is really it. So it doesn't really matter where I am, but I'm going to pursue this. And like they say, when the time is right, the time is right. You just find yourself with much ease to just go and embrace something. And that's exactly how it was.